Guys, I'm sure you're sick of turkey right about now. Come on over to the Ninja Foodi Grill station and let's make an awesome shrimp stir fry using some ramen noodles, little aromatics, little veggies. All right, I know you're in for this one. Stick around and let's get started. All right, guys, let's just get into this right quick. I've already chopped up the onion. We have our peeled and deveined shrimp. Those are just chilling. We're gonna leave them whole. We're gonna cook them whole in there. I thought about keeping them up for little bite-sized pieces, but I think I like the whole vibe in there. All right, so got some shredded carrots, got some bean sprouts, all the fixings you need. Guys, as always, ingredients down below. Let's get started, get this Foodi Grill heated up. Guys, this can be done on any of your air fryers. I'm using the Ninja Foodi Grill, the original one, because it has a deeper pot and I wanna make sure I have enough room in there to move and groove with the ingredients, all right? So that's why I'm using the original one. It can be done in the XL. You just have a little bit less room to stir it around in there. And then you can do it in any other air fryer that you have, all right? So we're just gonna use a high temperature of 400. We're gonna set it for like 20 minutes, but we're gonna add it's a layering kind of dish. So we're gonna add things, 5 minutes at a time and get everything cooked up real good together. Cool? All right, let's go. All right, guys, I showed you all the ingredients. Let's get this thing turned on. We're gonna do air crisp, 400 degrees, 20 minutes. Hit start. It's gonna preheat. While it preheats, just kind of want to go over everything. We got our shrimp. It's peeled and deveined, not cooked. Okay, do not buy the cooked shrimp for this. Get the uncooked shrimp. Otherwise, you're gonna have rubberized shrimp. Okay. First thing we're gonna do is saute the onions. Then we'll add our veggies. Add some. We got minced garlic. Yes, I'm cheating, but it's the way I roll. Gonna add some of the Calypso kick from Caribeque. Just obviously add a little kick, a little heat to it, and add a little bit of this stuff right here, the Shishito Pepper mix. I'll put a link down below for Amazon on this stuff. We're just gonna add a little heat to it. I like a little heat. We're gonna saute the veggies and everything in sesame seed oil. Of course, you need to have that soy sauce, and we're good to go. All right. All right. Let's get some of this oil in here. We're gonna do a healthy tablespoon or so. We're gonna start with sauteing the onions. Those mixed around real good. All right, give those about 5 minutes. Okay, guys, we went about, 3.5 minutes or so. These are coming along real nice. So the next thing we're gonna add is the rest of our veggies. Mix these up. We're gonna let this go for another few minutes and then add the garlic, the ramen, and the seasonings. The shrimp are gonna go in last because they're gonna cook the fastest. All right, so let's just talk a little bit while this is going. Veggies are heating through, getting real happy in there. Guys, I know you're probably tired of turkey right now, but the next video I put out, and I'll put a link for it right there, I'm going to do a full turkey in the Ninja Foodi XL grill. Don't ask me how I'm gonna do it, because I'm still formulating that, but I got a young hen turkey. It's about 9 pounds. We're gonna make that bad boy fit. All right, so make sure you turn into that. All right, we're almost done with the veggies getting there a little hot and heavy time, and then we'll add the garlic and a bunch of the sauces and all that. These veggies are looking good. Again, we don't want to cook them too far down. All right, the next thing we're gonna add is a healthy tablespoon of minced garlic. I'm gonna add in our noodles. Plop, add in our seasonings. Got this Calypso kick. Yeah, just a little bit in there, a little dab will do you. Get that soy sauce in there. This is gonna be about 3 tablespoons, give or take. Add our Shishito Pepper mix, a couple pinches of that. All right, let's get it all mixed up in here. Guys, you can use whatever noodles you have on hand. I look for the easiest things, and with being that we have so many kids in this joint, we always have ramen, those little ramen bricks that cost like 25 cents at the grocery store. So that's what I used. But again, you can find whatever you like. All right. All right, we're gonna give this another few minutes, and then we'll add our shrimps in and get it all done. All right, guys, we're about ready to add our shrimps in there. So we'll just make a little nest for our shrimps. And then what I have here are 1/2 pound of 1620 shrimp. I've already put a little of the toasted sesame seed oil on there, a little bit of the Caribeque Calypso kick. So we're gonna spread these out, make sure they all get some heat. We'll check on it in about 3 minutes. We'll give them a flip and we should be almost done. Okay, it's been close to 3 minutes. We're gonna flip all these shrimps over. They're almost done. Give it a couple more minutes. We'll give it one more mix through. We'll be ready to go. So like I said, another couple minutes, we'll give them a quick mixy mix and then we'll be good to go. All right, let's get these mixed up and around here. The shrimps are about done. Now we just wanna kinda incorporate everything. Those noodles are looking really nice. Got the nice veggies in there. Got those onions, carrots. Oh, it's gonna be good eating, guys. Yeah, just about one more minute and we'll be good. All right, guys, we're done. Let me get this all pulled out, get it on the plate, get it all pretty. We'll come back for the taste test. All right, guys, there it is. Let's go. What do you say to that? All right. All right, guys, let's get a bite in us. Guys, that's it for this one. If you want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill, guys, there's always links down below for the cutting boards, the knives, CJ merch, any of that stuff. It's all down below. If you've lasted this long, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. And if you want to join CJ's crew for real on YouTube, hit that join button down below. There's a bunch of perks in there. Join the crew. All right. Guys, I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.